This class is about split screen. In Adobe Premiere Pro, split screen is a technique commonly used in video editing to display multiple video clips or images simultaneously on the screen. It allows you to show two or more separate visuals side by side or in different sections of the frame, enhancing storytelling, comparison, or creating engaging visual effects. First of all, in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can easily create a split screen effect using the built-in tools and features. Now, what we have to do for split screen effect, first of all, import your videos on timeline. Video should be 1920 and 1080. So first of all, we have videos on our timeline. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 videos in our timeline. So first of all, select one video and scale 50. Go to the next one, click on this and set the scale up to 50. Set the 50 scale and then next move on to the next and set a scale 50. Now move on to the next and set the scale on 50. So there are 4 options of 50 scale. First of all, now select one and adjust. Select the second one and adjust your. Select the third one and adjust, and select 4 and adjust on the screen. There are 2 options. If you want to enlarge the screen so that you can understand, now this is screen. Play the videos and you can see the videos are now what will come. Okay, it's perfect. Now what the next is, go to the pen tool, select pen tool, draw a mask. Number 1, draw a line. Now this is the, in this way you can use pen tool and now scale up your video size to fit. And what will be the next? Go to the selection tool and enlarge this graphic size. And now go to the effect control panel. This is the shape. You can see. Now use their appearance fill color, fill color, uncheck, and then check to the stroke. And now go to the stroke 15. Okay, now look at the change in the videos. Play the video. Now in this way you can split your screen. Look at the splitting in the program window. You can further enhance the split screen effect by applying transition, color grading, or any other effects to the individual clips. Remember one thing, this is a basic method to create a split screen effect, and Adobe Premiere Pro offers various other techniques and tools to customize and refine your split screen visuals. Experiment different layouts, sizes, and additional effects to create unique and compelling split screen compositions. For example, let's do one split screen again. Okay, delete this graphic and delete the one. How we split the screen in this way? Select the first one and go to the effect control. So scale down your video, down the scale of your video up to 50%, and select the next video and down the scale of the video up to 50% again. So look at this video. This is the 50% of and 50%, and look at the third one. So, and go to the effect panel and select crop. This is a crop. Select this one and drag and drop the video. So go to the effect panel and here you can see crop. Left 25% and the right 25%, and look at them, and then adjust the video. Go to the left on this one. Now adjust the position of the videos. On the this one. Play the videos. If you want to add border, select the color mat and drag and drop to the timeline. So increase the size of the color mat and go to the effect control panel. Play the video. Look the border in the videos. So this is the second option. How can we change our video? How can we split our screen and use our videos in one screen?